Hey team, Coach Willena McGee here, and welcome to my channel where I give NEMT entrepreneurs the real deal, cutting through the fluff and the entertainment. Today we're talking about something critical in the NEMT industry: broker dependency, and more importantly, how you can avoid it. More often than not, I get calls from entrepreneurs just like you who've taken $2,700 online NEMT courses, set up with a broker and insurance, thinking they're all set. But fast forward a year or two and they realize they're barely breaking even. They're asking me, where's my six-figure business? Am I broker dependent? Now, if anything happens to that broker, the contract changes or rates cut, they're stand to lose everything: the van, the business, and the time they've invested. Now, if this sounds familiar, don't worry. You're not alone, and it is fixable. But here's what you need to do to avoid or escape broker dependency. Number one, develop a solid business plan, and I'm not talking about a $49 Fiverr plan. This plan is to identify your unique selling point and what sets you apart. This helps you stand out in the NEMT market. Number two, you got to create financial projections. You need a clear picture of your cash flow. Where is your money going? Financial projections will reveal the gaps and help you to make strategic decisions. And number three, invest in digital marketing. You cannot rely on brokers forever. Start building your own customer base by reaching self-paying clients directly through digital marketing. This is the key to long-term independence. Now, I know it's not easy, especially if you're under financial pressure, but if you're ready to escape the broker trap, I'm here to help. Contact me at www.nemtstartup.net and evaluate one of my coaching programs and schedule your discovery call. I'll help guide you through rebuilding your business the right way and with a strong foundation for lasting success. Now, don't wait until it's too late. Research shows that 90 days is all you got if you're set up broker dependent. Build a solid business plan, get control of your financials, and focus on marketing. You'll create a sustainable business and profitable NEMT business. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Be blessed.